Right, so first things first, hopped on over to the Samsung store to check out their all new triple fold. And I gotta say, initially I was like, okay, why does this exist? Why should this exist? And like, why are we going into these hyper expensive triple folding phones? Like this one is 12,000 dirhams. I'll put the converted price up here or somewhere. But then kind of you get a hold of it and the engineering amazes you, right? There's just no denying that the engineering amazes the crap out of you. I mean, so they've gone for what is called a G fold, where it folds inward twice so that the inner screen is completely covered when it is folded up. But otherwise, when you open it up, you've got a 10-inch display. The creases aren't crazy. They're there. I'm not saying they're not there, but the creases aren't crazy. And on the front, you've got your regular display, which would be the same as you would have on any other sort of flagship phone. On the back, you've got the triple camera setup, the same as the Z Fold 7, which is the 200 megapixel flagship. I wish the telephoto and stuff were better, but I think the Samsung kind of goes with the assumption that, well, people who buy these phones aren't exactly camera enthusiasts, and I think that's a bit biased, but like, okay, what are you going to do about it, right? You've got your fingerprint sensor right there. Inside this, you've got a 5,600 milliamp battery, which is pretty cool because at an open thinness, this is 3.9 millimeters. Like, it is so thin that there's only enough space for the SIM card tray. I don't know if you guys are going to see that, but there's only enough space for the SIM card tray. But yeah, functionality-wise, you've obviously got multitasking. So like, let me show you. If you can open up a bunch of apps together. So let's say here, I open up YouTube. I want to open up the gallery as well. And I want to open up, let's say, a calling app for a call I want to make. So all those open up together on the triple fold all together, and those can be resized as well. You can make one of them, let's say, a floating window. So multitasking goes crazy. And here's the funny thing, right? I've been in the store for a few minutes now, and I've been looking at the curiosity of who is coming in to check it out, and I've like kind of been talking to them and stuff. And the most common one that I received was a larger display, right? Everyone wants the phone to become a larger display. And I won't lie, I thought that people would be like, no, we'll just carry a separate display, but that doesn't seem to be the case. So yeah, that's impressive. And the second thing was that people who wanted the tablet experience on the move. So 3 people I spoke to today, 2 of them were people who don't use a laptop, they use their tablet. But I think that's one of those things where the price is going to be the factor, because here, this one is 12,000 dirhams with a 45-watt charger in the box. We've seen that through other unboxings. And this is got 16 GB and 512 GB of storage. Sorry, before I wrap up, one cool thing is, if you notice here, there's this last bit of the phone, the last bit, it juts out a little more. So to make the opening experience a bit easier, that's so cool. Even with the inner one, there's a bit of an opening so that lifting it to open is easier. That's some nice engineering right there, Samsung. Good stuff. But yeah, I'd love to kind of experience what using a triple fold is like on the go. You guys let me know what you think, and yeah, let me know your thoughts, and let me know that if I do get my hands on one, what I should be checking out, and we'll take it from there. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.